Hello, Arnab. This is Nick from CAI. I've got a project I'm going to be sending your way here for North Adams, Mass. It's going to be kind of a two-phaser. The first phase is we need to create index polys, and then I've got to go through and figure out the scale and some of the other attribute information. We're essentially creating a whole new grid from scratch. So what I'm giving you here is the CAI data model, even though I've got all the fields, which eventually will be sending your way to get data in there. The other geodatabase is our source geodatabase. Right now I've only got TaxPar in there. What I need you to do is to dissolve TaxPar based on a field map_no, and then kind of clean that up and create an index poly for us. So I've got that data in here right now. What I've done, I've taken TaxPar and I've already dissolved it, created an index poly. As you can see, it's pretty large. There's 147 maps for this town, and a lot of them right now, the issue is we got, roads and whatnot kind of making multi-part polys, and we don't want that. So what we need you to do is to essentially go through, dissolve on TaxPar and create an index poly that's just not multi-part poly. So kind of what I was doing is going through and getting the road network and closing it, and then kind of merging these pieces back together. And that's going to give us the index poly for map 14. So this would be kind of the final result we want to see for every map here, just one, not these multi-part polys, as you can see, as I've kind of stressed here a couple times. So once you've been able to do that, if you could send that back our way, we'll get to attributing it, and so we can move on to the rest of the conversion. Thanks a lot.